Dina with Dinner Made Easy with Dina, and tonight I am going to be making a coconut curry chicken for dinner. It has been a while since we've had coconut curry chicken, and I've always wanted to try out one of the recipes, so stay with me while we give that a try. Okay, we're going to start out with 2 potatoes, and they're large russet potatoes, 2 pretty good sized carrots, and 1 large onion. And I'm going to chop these vegetables in chunk sizes. So you can cut them whatever size you like, but we prefer them kind of a little bit chunkier. And then we're going to set those aside. There we go. And like I said, these are large russet potatoes. You can use the Yukon Gold. Those probably would be a better choice, but that's what I had on hand. Next, I have 6 chicken thighs that I have rinsed off, and I'm just patting those dry. We want to pat those dry just because they'll cook a little better, and they tend to brown and braise a little bit better if they're dry rather than wet. So the first thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to cut those in about a 1-inch size piece. So that, well, actually they get more of the curry flavor doing it that way. Okay, now I'm just going to put these all back on the plate so that I can be prepared to get that sauteing. Okay, so we're going to put some vegetable oil in the pan, and I'd say I put about 3 tablespoons in the pan. And we're going to heat that up a little bit, and we're going to start off with our onions. There we go. Now when we get the onions going here, we want to cook those just part way. They don't need to be cooked all the way through because they are going to simmer with the chicken. So we just want to make sure that we're starting to get a good cook on those before we add our chicken. There we go. In goes our chicken. I would just stir that around a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some garlic. And that's a squeezed garlic. It's minced garlic. And I put in about 2 tablespoons. And there is my curry powder. Now, I used about 3 heaping tablespoons, but honestly, I'd go in with 4 next time. It just needed a little bit more, I think, of the curry flavor. But it was absolutely delicious. Just add a little bit more so you get a little bit more of that curry taste to it. And we just stir that all in, and we are letting that chicken and the onions start to brown up a little bit. Right now I'm going in with some fresh ginger, and I grated about 1.5 teaspoons of fresh ginger right into the chicken. That adds really great flavor. And we're just stirring that around. Now we just want to get a little bit of a sear on the chicken. There we go. Now when you get those little goodies on the bottom of your pan, don't worry, man, that's really good flavor, and we will get that when we add our coconut milk. So we're going to keep our eye on that while we go get the rest of our vegetables to add our vegetables in. Oh, that's right. I put a little bit of Thai sweet chili sauce, about a tablespoon worth, and then in with the carrots and the potatoes. And let's give those a good stir. Next is our coconut milk, and this was about a 14-ounce can of coconut milk. And I'm going to stir that around. And then I put in a cup of chicken broth with that. So I just used a Knorr chicken bouillon cube and some water, or you can use Better Than Bouillon, whatever you happen to have on hand will work. And then here is our chili paste. And this chili paste, you can buy this in the grocery store in the international food section, or you can order it online. It's really, really good stuff. Doesn't that look awesome? Now we let this simmer for about 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like after 15 minutes of simmering. I'm going to get some rice in our bowl, and I steamed some rice in our Instant Pot, and that makes perfect rice every time. Oh, that looks so good. Oh man, and it smells incredible. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get some of that on our rice. Give that a try. The broth is a little on the runny side, but that's okay. That's kind of how we like it. You can thicken it up if you want to. Just use a little bit of cornstarch and some water before you serve it. There, look at that. Let's give that a taste. That's really, really good. So I went kind of light on the spices. You can add extra pepper if you want to. I use some sambal, which is a chili paste, and that's in the International Foods Department in your grocery store. And that's got quite a kick if you want to add some of that. Or you can get some peppers and you can chop up some peppers and add that in. But we like it this way because that way we both get it the way we want it. So my husband likes spicy. I'm not as much on spice. So this is absolutely perfect. I'm telling you guys, this is a really good basic curry, and didn't take much time. So listen, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice evening. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.